Hello everyone, welcome back to this Microsoft Excel tutorial journey with me on my Knowledge Factor YouTube channel. This is the 65th session, and so we just talked about a single level sort, or what I refer to as a quick sort. Click into the column, go to the data tab, choose your order, ascending, descending, and now that's great and it's super quick, right? The second technique that I want to talk about here in sorting, the list deals with multiple level sort. I want to sort this list by multiple columns. Now this one is very quick as well, but with a few extra steps. Take a look. I want to get into the list, same employee record list, and I want to sort it not just by the last name, but I now want to sort it by the last name and first name. So I want to do two levels of sorting. Take a look. So first I'm going to click into my list. Now at this point, because I'm doing multi-level columns, it really doesn't matter which column you click into, just as long as you are in the list itself. Once I am in that list, I am going to go to my data tab and I'm going to go back to the sort and filter area, but this time I am gonna go to the big sort button. I'll give that a click, and this opens up my custom sort window. Now within here I can do several things. You'll notice that I currently have one sort order in here. I can see that I am sorting my column last name. I'm going to sort on the values, meaning the values within the column, the last name values, and I'm going to sort it in the ascending order. Now this is just one level. I want to add a secondary level or secondary sort. Up in the top left corner I have add level button. I'll just hit that button. This adds my second level of sort. Now here I'm going to go grab first name. I'll continue with the sort by values. I will continue to do an ascending order sort, and I'll just hit OK. And I have now sorted my list. First primary sort by last name, secondary sort by first name. Take a look. Now if I scroll through this list, it may not look like first name is sorted. It's kind of all over the place, but what's happening here is it's creating a groups. Last name was sorted first, so now I have got A, B, C, and so on. But anytime that there is more than one employee with the same last name, like Berwick, it's group, and within that group it's now sorting first name in the ascending order. You can see Elan and Sam, and you can see here Corvick, Judy, and Rob, J and R. If I scroll down, let's find Smith. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4 Smiths, right? Over on the right I see B, E, H, H, A, H, O, and there we go. I have sorted two levels, last name and then the first name. Simple. Click in your list head, up to your data tab, go to the big sort button, and you got your custom sort or your multi-level sort window open, and you can add levels. And here's an FYI for you. Now ever since 2007 of Excel, you can sort up to 64 levels. Think about that. If you ever need to do that, I want to know why. Jump into the comment section of this video and let us know why you need 64 levels. That just seems like it's a huge number and something I'll never use. For me personally, 2, 3, maybe 4 levels occasionally. That's about my cap, but 64 levels now, have a go, try it out. You can then go. You can sort a ton of inside of Excel. So try this out. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and as I always say, if you really liked it and enjoying this journey, then please do like and subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon to get the latest content update on this channel. Alright then, we'll meet up in the next session. In case you have any questions, any concerns, then do let me know in the comment section of this video. Till the time, goodbye and take care.